I never done this before. Hi cuties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaquise, but you can call me JQ. And before we even get into today's video, please subscribe down below. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers by April 28th, which is my birthday. And all I'm saying is, that would be like the best birthday gift I've ever gotten in my life. Period. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup for today. So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and get into special effects makeup. And this will be the first time ever on my channel, as well as ever in my life. Yeah. Needless to say, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to be following Karolina Maria's The Walking Dead zombie makeup look that she did way back in like 2017. I don't care. It's bomb. I'm doing it today. 2020. Who gonna check me? Oh, okay. Alright, so in Karolina's video, she starts out with the Ben Nye liquid latex, and I was reading up on that product because I was wondering if I should buy it, but I read that you have to take it off. There's either a special solvent that you have to take it off with, or you have to take it off with alcohol, and I just personally don't want to put alcohol on my actual face because I have sensitive skin. So I'm going to be using some regular old crafts glue. Why do you have to rub this on so hard? Jesus Christ. Alright, so once she had on her liquid latex, she went ahead and put some oatmeal grains on her face. I don't have oatmeal, but I do have some granola. Ew. Alright, so after I successfully got enough granola on my face, I went back over it with the glue stick so that it would sit a little bit better. And then when I go over top of it with any like makeup or anything, it won't look too weird. So next, she puts on toilet paper on her face, and she basically cuts this open. So I'm gonna do that as well. I already started it, but I wanted to show you all on camera. So basically, you just want to layer up the toilet paper and the glue. I only used 2 squares of the toilet paper to get a thick enough layer. Now that we have that, I'm gonna just let it dry a little bit. She cuts this piece, and she uses like really tiny scissors. These are eyebrow scissors that I have that I'm going to use. Please be careful doing this. Basically what you want to do is pull up a little bit on the toilet paper with the scissors and then cut. Don't just cut blindly. And then go ahead and just separate the cut that you made so you can define those lines. Once we have gotten our cut where we want it to be, we're going to go back in with some more glue. We're going to pull this part open, which is going to be the side that the skin flaps. And then we're going to put more glue on this side over top of that. And we're going to add some more oatmeal or granola, whatever you have. So her liquid latex actually makes the oatmeal side of her face look kind of skin tony. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a foundation over top of this little weird mixture we have going on here. And then I will go in with the green, which is the first color that she uses. So now that I feel like I have a good base to go ahead and put some color on this side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm using this body paint palette that I got from Amazon. Don't know how good it is, but we're going to find out today, I guess. So in Karolina's video, she starts with the green and then she goes in with a brown color to add some depth. I did the same, but I also went in with a variety of other colors just because I wanted to get a variety of color in there and a variety of depths, so you can do whatever feels comfortable for you. So off camera, I went ahead and did the discoloration of my face. Hers looks a little more fleshy than mine does. Mine looks more decayed than hers, which I think I'm okay with. I don't mind. So here I'm explaining that you want to take a red and scarlet mix and just add that specifically in your cut, under your eyes, and anywhere else that you'd like to add some flesh tone. So next, she used her concealer and went over this part, the skin part. I'm just gonna use this Juul concealer. So when you add the concealer, you want to use ones that's really close to your skin tone because that's gonna help this blend in, and then you want to put it all over the flap. You don't want to see any white. Alright, so now that we have the our skin covered up, I'm going in with some lash glue just in these little places where the glue isn't sticking. So next she goes in with the black on her eyelid. So for the black, you just want to add it to your eyelid, up to your eyebrow, underneath, and you just really want to use your fingertip to diffuse the lines and kind of blur it out. For our glam side, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to do our base the way that we normally do. So for this portion of the video, I won't really be speaking much just because I have so many videos on my channel already with how I do my makeup, which I will link down below and also at the end of the video. So since I'm going to be going over this with other makeup anyway, I didn't really try to make my face look that bomb, but it still does. LOL. So here I'm adding fake blood using red food coloring. You can add as much or as little as you want. It's up to you. So here I'm using a small detailing brush to add some veins to the glam side to match our gore, and I also went in with yellow spots just to add like the sick kind of look to the face. So I took some of the red food coloring on a stippling brush and added that wherever I felt like it needed more gore. Also wherever I felt like the tissue really didn't blend in with my skin. I also went in with a red, black, and purple mixture at the hairline so that it would make sense to why the blood was falling the way that it did, and it also gave it this like scar tissue-y kind of look. Alright y'all, this is the final look. I was gonna put a wig on, but I feel like this by itself is giving everything I need. So, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is actually pretty bomb for my first time, so I'm proud of myself. I'm just ready to wipe this all off, so I'll see you guys next weekend.